Hello, students. Welcome back. We were discussing 13.1 question number 10, and this is the question number 10 on your screen. You all are completing this question. This is your today's task. And while you are solving this question, I am taking one example question. Okay, here you are solving question 10. So I am going to solve by my notebook to explain you again question number 9. Okay, you have to solve question number 10 and I am going to solve question 9, right? So here, now, question number 9. Construct a square whose side is 5.6 centimeter. Right? Can you see the question, students? Okay. Construct a square whose side is 5.6 centimeter. Write its steps of construction briefly. Now, student, step number 1 is, in this question, it is not given that this is a square. Which square is this? It's a square ABCD, PQRS, LMNO. It's not mentioned, right? So you can take the name of square according to your choice. But if in any question it is mentioned that construct a square ABCD, then you have to construct a square ABCD. Okay, here you can take any vertices name, right? So whose side is 5.6 centimeter, bete? We know that for a square, if only one side is given, it doesn't matter. We know that a square having all four sides equal. How can we make a rough sketch over it, bete? Here, first of all, if I am taking ABCD, so this is AB is equals to 5.6 centimeter, right? Then what I have to do, 5.6 centimeter over here, I have to draw here a line segment of 5.6. Then I have to draw a perpendicular BX on AB. I have to draw a perpendicular on AB. Then I have to put the compass on here B, and we have to draw this arc. This arc gives you C. And with which measurement we have to draw this arc? With which measurement? With the measurement of 5.6 centimeter, right? 5.6 centimeter. Now we have to put the compass on C, and we have to draw here arc of 5.6 centimeter. Then we have to put the compass on this point A, and we have to draw an arc here which intersect the previous arc at point D. Now finally join C to D and A to D. This is the rough sketch. This is the rough sketch. In this way we can, by joining this C and D and DNA, we get the rough sketch of a square. Now let's constructing the square together. Now let's constructing the square, a proper sketch of square together. First of all, student, we have to draw a line segment AB of 5.6 centimeter, right? 5.6 centimeter. So first, put the pencil over here, put your scale over here, and let's start with the 0. Okay, beta, we have to start making the line from this point 0. Just mark the 0 point. Okay, 0 till 5.6. Beta, 5 is there. Okay, 5 is there, then 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5. This line is 5.5, and then after 5.5 there is 5.6, right? So draw a line segment of 5.6 centimeter. Write down A B is equals to 5.6 centimeter, right? First of all, draw a line segment of 5.6 centimeter. Then what we have to do, then we have to draw a perpendicular. We have to draw a perpendicular on B or A. It's your choice. Here I am putting the compass on B. Okay, and open your compass more than half. of this line segment AB. Okay, like this. Put your compass on B and open your compass more than half. Okay, open your compass more than half of this line segment. Okay, approximately more than half. Don't find out that, don't divide 5.6. Okay, just approximately just take more than half of 5.6 centimeter, and then just fix your compass in this position and draw an arc like this. Draw an arc in such a way that it cuts AB at a single point over here. Right now, just put the compass on this point where this semicircle meets this AB. Right, just put your compass on this intersecting point and make the first arc. Okay, make the first arc like this. Now put the compass on this intersecting point. On this intersecting point, put your compass on this intersecting point. Make two arcs, one on the semicircle, one on the semicircle, and one on here, above the semicircle. Okay, one on the semicircle, one above the semicircle like this. Okay, first I'm telling you again. First I have drawn the line segment AB, then I have to make a semicircle, then I have to put the compass on this intersecting point where the semicircle meets this line segment, then make one arc over here, then put your compass on this intersecting point, make two arcs, one on the semicircle, one above the semicircle, one on the semicircle, one above the semicircle. Now Sanya, we have to put the compass on the second intersecting arc. Okay, on this second intersecting arc like this. Okay, put the compass on the second intersecting arc like this, and then draw an arc. Okay, and join this point B to this intersecting point like this. Okay, we have to join B to this intersecting point and draw a perpendicular, and this perpendicular is called BX. It's a ray. It is called BX and it is a ray. Okay, what we have done, what we have done, we have drawn a perpendicular BX on AB. Okay, we have drawn a perpendicular BX on AB here, and we can check it out that it is 90 degree or not. Yes, it is perfectly 90 degree. We know that all the angles are equal to 90 degree. All the angles of square equals to 90 degree. So it's confirmed by checking that it is equal to 90 degree. One more thing, students, you are not allowed to make this 90 degree by using D. You have to draw this perpendicular in this way, which I have already explained to you. Okay, Sada Zainab, is it clear now? Bete, now what we have to do? Now, so simple, bete. We have to put the compass on B. We have to put the compass on B with the measurement of 5.6 centimeter. Why 5.6, bete? Because we know that a square having all four sides equal. Look at this diagram. If AB, Halima, if AB is 5.6 bete, so here BC is also 5.6. Here CD is also 5.6. Here AD is also 5.6 centimeter. So just take your compass and scale in your hand, ठीक है, and open your compass till 5.6 centimeter, 0 till, like this, 0 till 5.6 centimeter. Now put your compass here on B with the measurement of 5.6 centimeter. Draw an arc. Bete, this arc The point where this arc meet this bx, only this point is your c. Only this point is called c. Okay, so from bx, what we have done, I'm just explaining you the step of construction, that from bx, cut off bc is equals to 5.6 centimeter. Cut off bc is equals to 5.6 centimeter. Now what we have to do, CS center with radius 5.6 centimeter, draw an arc, and AS center. Why 5.6? Because a square having four sides equal. Now put the compass on A, and with the same measurement, draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at point D. Now which point is D, student? Here which point is called D? The point where these two arc intersect, only this point is called D. So in the end, finally join A to. First, place your scale like this. Ali, look at this diagram. First, I have to place the scale in this way. Just check out that your scale is on the proper position like this, and draw here a line segment. Now, what you have to do? You have to put pencil on this point C and just put your scale in such a way like this. Just check out that these points are properly joining or not. First, just check it out by putting your scale properly and then join C to D. So here we get 5.6 centimeter and here 5.6 centimeter. Is it clear? Now this diagram is clear, bit. Here we get a square ABCD. Okay, a square ABCD. We know all the properties of square. A square having four sides equal, a square having all angles equals to 90 degree, a square having uh, what? A square having all the angles equals to 90 degree, a square having their diagonals. If I join AC and BD, their diagonals are congruent, they bisect each other, and they are perpendicular to each other. Is it clear? Now, in the same way, you can write down, it's given that in square ABCD, measurement AB is equals to 5.6 centimeter. What is required, you can write down to construct a square ABCD. And steps of construction we have already discussed by constructing the square. So let's check it out how you have completed your work. Now show me your work, everybody. So you all have drawn a square. Okay, so very good. Here we get A, B, C, D. Write down 4.8 centimeter. That's great. Can you show me the measurement by putting the scale, by keeping scale on your copy? Here Halima's copy is there. Halima, can you put your scale on your construction so that I can check that is it 4.8 or not? It is 4.8. Okay, so it is 4.8 centimeter. Show me AD also. Halima, show me AD also. Measurement AD. Measurement AD is equals to, okay, it's 4.8 centimeter. That's great. Next copy is who's sharing now? Who is going to share like Halima's copy? Okay, share in the way in which Halima is sharing. Okay, keep your copy in front of the camera and put your scale on your construction and show me your work. Sanya, show me your work. Yes, Sanya. So here 4.8, very good. ABCD. Can you put scale on AB? Can I check your measurements AB? Okay. Sanya, I can't see it properly. It's not clear. 4.8 means that it's before 5 centimeter. Okay, it's yes, like this. It is 4.8 centimeter. That's great. Now students, I am going to share objectives with you. Okay, I hope you all have completed the construction, Halima, and steps as well. You have completed the steps, students? You all have completed these steps? So let's start the objectives. Kindly start noting down the objective. I'm dictating it. Number one, the diagonals of square dash each other. The diagonals of square dash each other. Okay? Whenever you are attempting the objectives, you have to draw a line for the working column. Okay, on the right side of your copy you have to draw, you have to maintain your page properly, you have to draw the line like this. Okay, and then you have to do the working, you have to do the rough work in the working column. I have checked your working column also in your arithmetic copy. So here, number one, the diagonal of square dash each other. Number two, each angle of an equilateral triangle is of dash degree. We have discussed it yesterday. Okay, the diagonal of the square, the diagonal of the square, you can write down your answers in the chat box also. I am going to allow you to write down the answer in the chat box. Number one, the diagonal of the square. Yes, Rumesa, I want you to unmute yourself quickly. Rumesa Abid. Yes, Rumesa. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, Rumesa.
Walaikum assalam.
Diagonals of the square dash each other. What is an answer?
Perpendicular.
Very good. Very good. So the diagonals of the square perpendicular to each other. Each angle of an equilateral triangle, each angle of an equilateral triangle. Okay, Hania. Hania, where is Hania? Hania, unmute yourself quickly and give me the answer. Hania is there. Yes, Hania, unmute yourself, bete. Yes, Hania.
With 60 degree.
60 degree. Can I ask you one question, that what about the other two angles in equilateral triangle?
They would also be of 60 degree because in equilateral triangle three sides are same.
Three sides and three angles are same, perfect, equal, congruent, excellent, shabash. So the next question is, an algebraic sentence which is true for all the replacement of its variable is called a dash sentence. A sentence, this is from chapter number 4, which we have discussed uh, in the last week. So algebraic sentence which is true for any replacement of its variable is called a dash sentence. Is called a dash sentence. I want Sada Zainab to unmute herself. Yes, Sada.
Make true sentence.
Is called a true, very good, Sada, is called a true sentence. When an algebraic sentence is true for any replacement of its variable, it's called true sentence. For example, um, I have x plus x is equals to 2x, right? This is an example of the true sentence. This is an example. I can give you the question in this way also, that x plus x is equals to 2x. It's an example of true sentence. Okay, if I add one more over here, it is an example of, if I add one more x over here. In the participants, I want Sheros to give me the answer. Sheros, x plus x is equals to 2x. It is an example of which sentence?
This true sentence.
Sorry,
True sentence. True sentence.
I can't hear you properly. X plus x,
Miss, true sentence.
you are saying true sentence. I am asking you this example question which I have over here, that
Yes, Miss, x plus x is 2x is equal to 2x. It's a true sentence.
x plus x is equal to 2x.
Oh, Miss, no, Miss, false. Miss, false, false. Miss, false sentence. False sentence.
False sentence. And if I remove this x plus x is equals to 2x, it is true or false?
Miss, true. True, Miss, true.
Very good.
True sentence.
One more, one more question. If I ask you that
आप,
x plus,
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही मिस बहुत लो हो रही है
Sheros, if I ask you that x plus 2 is equals to 8, what about this?
open sentence open sentence open sentence
Shabash. So here we have discussed uh, number 3 objective also, and some example objectives related to chapter 4 also. So an algebraic sentence which is true for all the replacement of its variable is called a true sentence. Okay, true sentence, 60-degree perpendicular, right? So here number 4 is, if 6 is added to a number, 10 is obtained. If 6 is added to a number, 10 is obtained, then the number is equal to dash. Yes, Jayakumar, share your answer. Jayakumar, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Jayakumar.
Yes, Miss. 4.
4. First, what equation will be formed over here? 6 is added to a number. What is a number?
X.
X. So if 6 is added, so what will be the equation?
X minus 6. X minus
Beta, this is added written over here.
X plus
Plus, yes, right. X
X
plus,
plus
yes.
10.
X plus 10.
X plus yes, Miss.
No, no. Next, Ali. Ali, what kind of equation will be formed over here? If 6 is added to a number, 10 is obtained.
X plus 6.
X plus 6. Beta, unmute yourself. I'm taking answer from you.
X plus 6 is equal to 10.
Excellent. X plus 6 is equals to 10. Very good.
10. X is equal to 10 minus 6. X is equal to 4.
Excellent. So here answer given by Ali, correct answer, but I also want the reason that why we get this answer. That's why I'm asking you to make the working column and solve it over there. So bete, if 6 is added to a number, 10 is obtained. Okay, so the number is x. Okay, the number is 10, the number is x. So x is added. Jaykumar, added is written over here, so why we are going to subtract it? Beta, 6 is added to a number, number is x, so x plus 6, 10 is obtained. 10 is obtained mean is equals to 10. Okay, 10 is obtained, that means we get 10 as an answer. Now we want only x, so this 6 is going to be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 6 gives you 4. 10 minus 6 gives you 4, right? 10 minus 6 gives you 4. If it is written that if 6 is subtracted, if 6 is subtracted, if it is written that if 6 is subtracted from a number, 10 is obtained. then what will we get the answer? If 6 is subtracted from a number, then yes, Halima. If 6 is Halima, bete, if 6 is subtracted from a number, then what will be the equation form? Halima? Yes, Asya. Unmute yourself, bete. Asya. Asya, if 6 is subtracted from a number, so what equation will be formed? Ali is raising his hand again. Yes, Ali.
X minus x is equals to 10.
X minus 6. Very good, Asya. X minus 6 is equals to 10 because the number which is written with from is going to be written first. So we get x minus 6 is equals to 10. And what will be the answer, Asya?
16.
Very good. Very good. 16 will be the answer. So, number 5. The sum of three angles of the triangle is equal to
180 degree.
180 degree. Perfect. We have discussed it yesterday that the sum of three angles of the triangle is equals to 180 degree. Abdullah bin Ishtaq. Unmute yourself, beta. A dash triangle is a triangle in which no sides are congruent. Abdullah, unmute yourself. Abdullah. There are,
Yes, miss.
yes, Abdullah. A triangle in which no sides are congruent in length is called what?
Scalene.
Scalene. Very good. And if I say that a triangle having two sides congruent, then what it will be?
Miss equilateral.
Having two sides equal, bete.
It's isosceles.
Isosceles triangle, and having all sides equal, it is called equilateral.
Equilateral.
Very good. So next one, the product of 3x plus y and 3x minus y is equals to dash. But what we have to do in this question, this is the question which I have taken from exercise 3.11. We have discussed it already. We have discussed this exercise. I want you all to kindly solve it in the working column and share your answer by raising your hand. Quickly raise your hand and share your answer with me. The product of 3x plus y, 3x minus y. Which exercise? This is exercise 3.11. First, you have to tell me that which formula is going to be applied and what is the condition for applying the formula. What is the condition for applying the formula? Okay. So here Aman Jahan Mughal is raising her hand. Aman. Yes, Aman. Aman. Yes, Aman.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam. Bete, the product of 3x plus y, 3x minus y is equals to what?
Miss 9x minus 5.
Number 1, number 2, number 3. Which one is the correct option?
Teacher number 3.
You are saying that number 3 is the correct option. Okay. Aman, first tell me that which formula is going to be applied. Aman.
Miss minus.
Formula. I'm asking you the formula. Aman, what is the formula? Aman, bete, which formula is going to be applied on this question?
Miss plus.
Plus 160. Sumaya, kindly unmute yourself and quickly tell me that which formula is going to be applied over here. Unmute
Teacher,
yourself.
x square minus y square.
X square. On which condition we can apply this formula? What we have to check first? Sumaya, what we have to check? Sumaya, I can't hear you. Where are you? Yes, Sumaya. What we have to check? Quickly, bete. We don't have that much time. Please. Yes.
Teacher,
Quickly.
sign.
We have to check the sign. That the sign must be different, and the and yes, Ramla. What we have to check? Yes, Ramla. How can we apply this formula? Because first term is same and the second term is same, only the sign is different. Okay, only the sign is different. So the formula which we can apply over here is, yes, Hania,
X plus y multiplied by x minus y.
x plus y multiplied with x minus y is equals to what?
9x square minus y square.
9x square minus y square. That means option 1 is correct, because according to your question, your x is 3x and your y is y. Okay, so 3x whole square. Okay, Hania, 3x whole square. Aman Jahan, look at the simplification, bete. And here y whole square. Okay, bete. So 3 square is equals to 9 and x square. This option is correct because we have to apply square on 3 as well as on x also. So we get 3 threes are 9 and x square minus y square. Okay, y option 3, this option is incorrect because there is no square on x over here. Okay, when we are putting the whole square over there, we have to take the square of 3 and x as well. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Now the next question, an obtuse angle triangle is a triangle with dash obtuse angle. With dash obtuse angle. How many obtuse angles are there in obtuse angle?
One obtuse angle.
One obtuse angle. Very good. With one obtuse angle. Next question is, Sanya, yes. The diagonal of parallelogram. The diagonal of parallelogram cut each other, intersect or bisect.
मिस योर वॉइस इज नॉट मिस आपकी आवाज बहुत लो हो रही है
But can you see the screen? I ask you question number.
यस मिस
I, I'm asking the diagonals of parallelogram. Cut, intersect or bisect.
इंटरसेक्ट हेलो मिस कैन यू हियर मी
Yes, Ali. The diagonals of parallelogram. Ali, the diagonals of parallelogram. Afra, the diagonals. Bete, unmute yourself, students. Yes, Ali, the diagonals of parallelogram.
Will intersect.
Yes, Hania. No.
Miss bisect each other.
Each other. So for this purpose, what you have to do, all students, you have to just learn, you have to just read the properties of chapter number 30. Okay, in right angle triangle, the side dash to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Iman, mute yourself and give me the answer. Iman Rashid.
Opposite.
Opposite. Very good, Iman. In right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. That means you are good in the objectives of chapter 4 and chapter 12 and chapter in exercise 3.11 also, but you are having problem, you are not prepared for the objective of chapter number 13. So I ask you to read the pages 166 till 170, 166 till 168. Okay, 166 till 168. Okay, and prepare yourself for the objective of chapter number 13. Okay, prepare yourself for the objectives of chapter number 13. So before leaving, I want you all to share your work with me, share your objectives with me. Okay, Ramla. Here Ramla and Sanya are there. Share your objectives. Okay, so very good. You both have attempted it very proper way. Excellent. Now next one is Halima. Very good. That's great. Bisect each other. Very good. Next one is Sada. Zainab. Sada, show me your show me your loose sheet work, bete. Ali, start your video. What happened? Is there any problem? Iman, share your video. Iman, share your work with me. Sorry. Very good. Iman, unmute yourself also.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Iman. Bete, all these objectives are clear to you,
Yes, miss.
but where is the working? You have made the working column where, but nothing is written over there.
मिस मैं कर रही हूँ अभी.
Okay, okay, okay. So everything is clear.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Next is Eman Jahan Mughal. Eman Jahan. Yes, Eman Jahan Mughal. Eman, yes, bete, everything is clear.
Yes.
Now this objective is clear that why we get 9x square. Is it